been like a month since I've shot anything. If you're just finding this channel, I live in New York, and typically I pick up places in New York City to go explore, and I take you with me. Today it's summer, and I'm in Houston, and I figured let's go see if we can find something here. Today we came to Hermann Park. Hermann Park is one of the big public parks in Houston, and there's a lot to see here. So this is Houston. My normal stuff is in New York. You should check out the rest of the channel up to the east side on YouTube. Catch up on all the New York stuff that's already there. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. But now let's go check out Hermann Park. This first little part here is called McGovern Centennial Gardens. It's got a rose garden, it's got a mount. It's right next to the Museum of Natural Science over there. The rest of the Hermann Park is in that direction. It's nice. The pagoda. Called the Mount. It's reasonably new. This whole Centennial Gardens was just redone not that long ago, last 20 years or so. Should we climb it? We should climb it. Just gotta do some circles here to get to the top. We'll head over there later. That's Miller Outdoor Theater. The rest of Centennial Park is that way. Like I said, Miller Outdoor Theater is right over there. And this is the Houston Museum of Natural Science over here. There aren't many elevated places in Houston. It's very flat. So it's always interesting when you can get up on a hill in Houston somewhere. All right, let's walk back down. All right, good times on the Mount. Let's head out into the park. It's Gandhi, MLK Jr. So there's a little kid's train that runs around the park. It's been running around this park since I was a kid. Apparently it's closed right now, but maybe as the day goes on, we'll see it tube past. So Hermann Park is a 445-acre park. Houston Zoo is over there. You can see Miller Theater right there. Museum of Natural Science is right there. The zoo opened in 1922. The park's been around since the 1920s. It experienced a period of decline through the 20th century until about the 1990s when the Hermann Park Conservancy was formed, and that helped create the beautiful park we have today. Museum of Natural Science, which is over here, was originally formed from a scientific society that was established in 1909. It was officially renamed the Houston Museum of Natural Science in 1960, and they didn't move to this location until about 1965. And right here we got our good friend Sam Houston, not Houston, Houston. Between Sam Houston over there and the obelisk at this end, got this reflecting pool. There's the Japanese gardens over there. We're gonna come back and see that. First I wanna walk back over to Miller Theater though. We'll have a look there first, and then we'll come back this way. Miller Outdoor Theater is an outdoor theater. It's located on about 7.5 acres of land here in Hermann Park. The original theater was built in 1922, and it was around for a while. In the 1940s, they built up this hill out of dirt that they'd excavated from the construction of Fannin Street. But this theater was built in the 1960s. It recently went through renovations in the 1990s, but you got some seated area down there, and then a big hill to spread blankets out on. It's a nice space for outdoor concerts. All right, let's head back over to the Japanese gardens. Houston Zoo is just on the other side of that lake. We'll walk around that way in a little while. We're over here at the Japanese Gardens now. We'll go in and check it out. This was designed by a Japanese landscape architect and opened in 1992. I've already missed pointing out a couple bathrooms, but here's a bathroom. Hey look, it's art. Medical center's right there, so really the only reason you ever see helicopters around here are life flights. So I just walked out this end of that place that's by that little pond, and I'm in this area now that is completely new. I've never been over here. I knew they had just redone the playground over here and other stuff, but this is completely new. I've never seen this before. This is all new to me. They just installed this massive playground over here, a splash pad kind of thing. There's a new carousel over in this direction. I'm gonna bring the kids back over here. So, just like back in New York, I'm rushing now because I gotta go pick the kids up from camp. What I didn't anticipate was that there would be all this park that I hadn't seen yet, and I didn't realize I was saving that till the end of my trip. So now I'm rushing through all the stuff I've never seen before. Oh well, back to the car. This is all the Houston Zoo over here. This is the train station for that little train. More bathrooms and a cafe next to the lake. Popped out of that trail there. Now we're back over by Miller Theater, cut across behind that, back to the car, because we're in Houston, so we drive. More bathrooms, and I haven't really said anything about it, but if you're curious, it's insanely hot, because it's Houston. It's like 11 o'clock in the morning. It's only going up from there. Golf course right over here too. I didn't say that before. These incredible oak trees are one of the things that are just absolutely beautiful about Houston, and they're amazing until they fall on your house. Then they're not as nice. All right, I'm back at the car. Time to drive home. Remember, I'm normally in New York and normally explore places in New York. So if you like New York, you should check out the rest of the channel, Up to the East Side on YouTube. Catch up on all the episodes already there, and look for new episodes every Friday, starting again in the fall. I'm kind of off for the summer right now. Be sure to like and subscribe. Tell all your friends. Thanks for coming with me to explore Houston today. Maybe I'll do another one this summer down here. I might not have time though, it's hard to say. We'll see. Anyway, see you next time.